Hey, travelers! Today, we're diving into the stunning city of Oslo, Norway. Known for its blend of modernity and natural beauty, Oslo has something for everyone. Let's explore this Scandinavian gem together. Oslo's natural landscapes are awe-inspiring. The Oslofjord and surrounding hills provide breathtaking vistas. You can hike in Nordmarka Forest or take a fjord cruise for unparalleled views. Start your journey at the Oslo Opera House, a contemporary masterpiece. Don't miss the Royal Palace or the charming Oslo Cathedral. And of course, the Viteland Park with its remarkable sculptures is a must-visit. Oslo's museums are a treasure trove of culture. The Munch Museum showcases Edvard Munch's iconic works, while the Viking Ship Museum offers a glimpse into Norway's seafaring history. Norwegian cuisine is a treat. Try traditional dishes like lutefisk or savor fresh seafood. And for a sweet delight, indulge in a delicious cinnamon bun at a local bakery. Get your adrenaline pumping at the Holmenkollen ski jump or zip down it for a thrilling experience. Oslo effortlessly combines nature, culture, and modernity, making it an ideal destination. So, when planning your next adventure, consider exploring the wonders of Norway's capital. If you enjoyed our tour of Oslo, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Share your thoughts or Oslo experiences in the comments below. Takk for nå. Thank you for now. Until next time.